Hi everyone. Let us discuss this two examples of series. Okay, we are going to check the series are convergent or not. Okay, so see, first of all, I will write the given series. Okay, so I wrote the given series. Okay, so to check the convergence of this series, I am going to use comparison test. Have you heard about comparison test? Okay, let me show you what is comparison test. So this is called comparison test. So when you have a two series actually is n and bn, and such that both of them are positive and bn is greater than n, then here we have if summation bn converges, that means if larger series converges, then smaller series converges, and secondly if smaller series diverges, then larger series also diverges. Okay, so this thing I am going to use. So let us focus on what is this given series summation sine square n upon 2 raised to n. Okay, 2 raised to n is a positive and square is there, that means that sign is also positive. So therefore clearly we can write 0 less than or equal to sine square n upon 2 raised to n, and this is also less than or equal to 1 upon 2 raised to n. So because, how could I write this? The reason is that sine square theta is always lies between 0 and 1, so that's why I could write this is less than or equal to 1 upon 2 raised to n, and this is true for all n. All n belongs to set of natural number. So now let us focus on this series, but summation 1 upon 2 raised to n running from 1 to infinity. Tell me, if you expand this series, what will you have? If you put a 1 by 2 you will have. If you put 2, 1 by 4. If you put 3, 1 by 8. In this way you will have a series. So actually it is a geometric series. Okay, so it is a geometric series. So this is a geometric series with common ratio is 1 by 2. Okay, so do you know how to calculate common ratio? So I will show you the simplest way to calculate. A2 upon a1 I will calculate. A2 means second term, a1 means first term. This 2 is in denominator of denominator. We shift to the numerator. Then you will have 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. Okay, so to confirm it, you can calculate a3 upon a2 also, but this is enough. Okay, so this is geometric series with common ratio r is equal to 1 by 2. So we are more interested in value of mod r. So let us find mod r. If you take mod, there is no any negative number, so you will have 1 by 2, and clearly 1 by 2 is less than 1, so that means what we got, mod r less than 1. So when you have any geometric series with mod r less than 1, then it is convergent. So therefore I can mention this is a convergent series. Therefore I can write this series is a convergent series. Okay, so that means, see, if this larger series is convergent, if this series we have got now, if this series is convergent, if bn is convergent, n is also convergent. Let me show you the statement again of comparison test. Okay, so see, if n less than or equal to bn and bn converges, then summation n also converges. So tell me, what can I write by comparison test? So by comparison test, larger series is convergent, therefore smaller is also convergent. So comparison test I can write summation, the given series, n running from 1 to infinity, sine square n upon 2 raised to n is a convergent series. Okay, so in this way this example is over. So let us discuss one more example. Okay, so this is our second example. Okay, we have to discuss is convergence. So first of all I will write the given series. Okay, so I will write given series is, so I wrote the given series. So to discuss the convergence of this series also, I am going to use same comparison test. Okay, so let us consider this first part first. Okay, so what will I do? I am going to add 1 in denominator. Okay, so if you increase denominator, value will reduce. So this is greater than equal to 2n upon 3n square minus 1 plus 1. What I have done, I have added 1 in denominator, so that's why I increased denominator, value reduced. So this is equal to, see what will happen, 2n upon minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled to each other, so you will have 3n square. Any more can we cancel? Yes, obviously n also we can cancel. So here on the next line I will write this is 2 upon 3n, right? So if 2 is obvious, okay, so what will I do? I will write the same thing in this way, huh? Therefore, I will write, therefore, see, I am writing the same thing, huh? But 2 by 3n less than or equal to 2n upon 3n square minus 1 for all n belongs to set of natural number. Okay, I will call it as equation number 1. See, the same thing I have written, but yeah, this part left hand side I have shifted to the right hand side, and right hand side shifted to the left hand side. This is the only thing I have done. See, what do you think about this one? See, clearly summation 1 by n running from 1 to infinity. See, actually this is a p series, right? Is a p series. Are you familiar with p series? P series means summation 1 upon n raised to p. This is called p series. Here, what is value of p? P means power of n. What is power of n? 1. So therefore p is equal to 1. So when you have any p series with p less than or equal to 1, then it is a divergent series. So we have got p is equal to 1. So therefore it is a divergent series. So therefore